It's Mayor Sandy Brown of the town of Orangeville. This is a COVID-19 update for Thursday, April the 9th, 2020. I want to wish everyone a happy Easter and Passover. Although we traditionally celebrate by gathering as families, this year we all need to stay home and find new ways to virtually connect. My family is going to be having a virtual meeting on Sunday afternoon and ask that all families in Orangeville do the same. For the duration of COVID-19 pandemic, the most important thing is to keep your family safe. This is also time to think of others. I encourage you to make a food bank donation at the grocery store checkout if you can. We know that there are people in Orangeville who are out of work and struggling because of COVID-19. All three levels of government and community agency are working to support families. For those who've lost their jobs, are quarantined, or caring for someone with COVID-19, the federal Canadian Emergency Response Benefit Program process opened up this week. If you need assistance with your application, our federal MP Kyle Seaback has information on his website and staff available to return phone calls. This week, the Ontario government announced financial support for parents. The Support for Families initiative offers a one-time payment of $200 per child up to 12 years of age and $250 for children with special needs up to 21 years of age. You can apply online at www.ontario.ca/support for families. As you know, the town has waived interest related to late payment of property taxes for a 3-month period for residents and businesses that need financial help due to loss of income. To manage within our means, last week we made the difficult and unprecedented decision to lay off part-time staff who work at the town's library and recreation facilities. Staff who maintain our essential infrastructure, such as water, sewer, and roads, remain on the job. Residents can ask questions of town staff by emailing customerservice@orangeville.ca. I want to acknowledge all our staff for their hard work. In particular, I want to thank our transit drivers who are continuing to provide an essential service to those who need transit for grocery shopping or medical appointments. They are out on the front line and doing a terrific job. A reminder that if you can, please use the rear door to enter. No fares are needed at this time. Police and fire are working to keep everyone safe. Please be aware that Orangeville Police and Orangeville Bylaw Enforcement are monitoring the community for anyone who is not following the ban on gatherings of more than 5 people. Under a new provincial emergency order, failing to comply can result in a fine of $750. Police do not want to ticket residents, but we need everyone to continue to follow the public health's COVID-19 guidelines for physical distancing as much as possible. Please stay home. Town Council had its second virtual council meeting this week. You can watch the proceedings of the meeting on Orangeville Council's YouTube channel. The next virtual council meeting is Monday, April the 20th. The agenda will be posted a week in advance, and you can submit questions via email. This week, I also had the opportunity to host a series of video coffee chats to keep the community updated on services. Deputy Mayor Andy McIntosh and Councillor Lisa Post discussed library services with CEO Darla Fraser. I encourage everyone to look at all the online services that the library offers. If you need a library card, you can apply for a virtual library card on the library's website. Councillors Grant Peters and Todd Taylor joined me for a discussion on emergency services with Steve Murphy, the county's emergency management coordinator, and Orangeville Fire Chief Ron Morden. I've also had an opportunity to video chat with local business leaders. Please shop local wherever you can, whenever you can. Many local businesses are finding new ways to serve their customers. Online orders, free local delivery, no contact curbside pickup, and takeout service are all being offered. You will find a list of restaurants and food shops providing delivery and takeout services at orangevilletourism.ca. Downtown Orangeville has also compiled a list of vendors from the Orangeville Farmers Market that are offering produce and goods for pickup or local delivery. I recognize this is a challenging time in our community, and while we continue to require everyone to stay home as much as possible, I encourage you to check on your neighbors and those who are struggling at this time. Thank you for doing your part to stop the spread. I wish everyone a good holiday weekend. All the best. Thank you.